On this 5-bedroom house, we are doing some general home repair and maintenance service to bring back this house to a beautiful look. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. Highly appreciate it. Encourage me to do more videos like this. So this is my 5-bedroom house. We'll be doing some general home repair and maintenance service on. So just like everything in life, repair and maintenance is a must. So we will chip and scrape and prepare our grill to be re-primed. So as you can see, you are using an heat gun. This is something some people might know, some people might not. When you use the heat gun to heat up the grills or the metal, you get rid of the excess paint, scrape it off easily. So the heat gun, you heat up the whole material and scrape it with a knife or something to get it removed easily. After finish chip and scrape, it's now time to prime our grill. So do remember, you will have to tape your walls to protect it from getting messed up with the primer that you use to prime our grill. In this video, we are focusing more on the Burglar bars grill. We'll be painting this house, but not in this video. So the Burglar bar is the more difficult task here. So we are paying most attention to that now. Now you can see, after chip and scrape and prepare the grill and prime it, now our Burglar bar grill is looking like brand new. So we're not painting this grill in this video. We are just concentrating on the preparation and priming of the grill. But as you can see, the house is start to looking up, start to get back its beauty once more. So it's all about prepare your grill by chipping and priming. Use the heat gun to heat up the whole of paint, because sometimes the whole of paint is flaking off. So when you use the heat gun and heat it, it come off easily. So some of you may know, as I said, some of you may not. So that's something that to remember to make the job easier. So now you can take a look at the job after finishing priming. Yeah, so this is just some maintenance of the grill and repairing to bring your building back to life. So many people have burglar bars and grill on their house. After a time, they're not looking pretty nice like before. So the famous painter, I featured this guy before. The famous painter is the guy who's doing this job. So he paint, chip, prime, he do everything towards getting a building look. He do many more things. So as you can see, the building is looking total different than before, and it requires a lot of taping because you don't want to get things messed up. And when these guys don't work, everything is looking super crispy, super beautiful. Yeah, so this is the job of the famous painter, aka Wani. Yeah, so this is our 5-bedroom house, and we are doing some general home repairs and maintenance service. Might sound like a lot of things, but it's just the repairing and take care of things. So as you can see, the building looking super bright, the building looking up. So this is the outside view. I showed the inside view before. And this house have an upper section, so we will be doing the grills around the corridor as well, at the balcony. So we are doing a general service right around on the grills. We are working on the grills now. We'll be doing the complete house, but we're just featuring the grills, the burglar bar right about now. So as you can see, the burglar bar is looking crispy, like they are just installed, brand new. Yeah, so this is a famous painter at work. So you see the guys brushing and all kind of things. So this is the upper section. So we are on the upper part. So all these burglar bar will be chip and prime. So we're just giving you a view of everything right around before and after. So yeah, because that is galvanized. The galvanized material intended for don't take the paint as well as the steel, but it's a material that don't rust. But when these guys done, everything will be in uniform and looking nice. Yeah, so this house beauty is the burglar bar, the grills, twist, uniformly put together and well. So it's a security bars and at the same time beauty for the house, you know. Put special effort and time in it to get it with a lot of design. If this video is interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. What is wrong? Nothing is wrong. Thank you all for watching. Until then, see you guys in my next video. Peace. Do remember that this video was sponsored by JHR Financial Services.
In this time of pandemic, there are a lot of uncertainty. We at JHR Financial Services knows and understand your needs. That is why we are committed to serving your financial future. Call us at 876-781-8646 or email us at jhrfinancialservices@gmail.com to take advantage of our flexible loans, low interest rates, and friendly, fast, efficient customer service. JHR Financial Services, serving your financial future.